Yeah,
George.
I just wanted to follow up on Dr. Paulson's remarks. I really agree with what you said. The differences across the country are, there's not a dramatic difference in the aerosols. It's a quantitative, not a qualitative difference. In other words, there are the same sources pretty much are present around the country, but to different degrees. And coal certainly is concentrated in the east. But fossil fuel combustion is present throughout the whole country to different degrees. Some places more oil, and some places more natural gas and coal in different places. But fossil fuel is combustion, and that's really what the studies that we've done with the ACS and other studies have sort of been pointing towards. Is there's a problem with fossil fuel combustion, and it seems like the pollutants coming from fossil fuel combustion are associated with most associated with these health effects. And so it's really more a matter of degree of the various sources than some great, very contrasted. That could say, the particles in California would be non-toxic. That's dramatically different. That I think the remark was made. Well, the people of California, yes, they're healthier than the country, but people don't think that suddenly they're invulnerable to air pollution. And in fact, I was thinking part of the reason probably they're healthier is that a smaller percentage smoke in California. And of course, the biggest relative risks we have that we find in the study are for non-smokers. So that means that non-smokers have higher relative risks, and if there's more of them, then California might be a place that really want to worry about air pollution, because that's a bigger share of their risk. But so by the same analogy, the aerosols in California are just not sufficiently different that you would suddenly say they're non-toxic.
Okay.
Wait, I never said they're non-toxic, but George, you have to take a hard look at the changing composition and levels of air pollution across the United States, going from our earliest data in the 1960s, 1970s up to today. And I can tell you, California is not like the Ohio River Valley, Pennsylvania, New York. And for you to suggest that somehow there's a great similarity is wrong.